Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use Qwen CLI on VS Code. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first you have to go for the VS Code, and here you can see I have already installed it in my PC. Now you have to just install it if you don't have this. I'm assuming that you have it, and now I'll open this and I'll go for the terminal. So click here in the three dot and you'll find option called terminal. So go terminal, and here we are going to check at first that we had Node.js installed in our PC or not. So I said node-g, and here you can see I got the version. It means I have installed Node.js in my PC, but in your case, if you don't see this, you have to install Node.js in your PC. And I'm assuming that you can install Node.js in your PC. This is really simple. Just go to the Node.js, and here we find nodejs.org. So go here to download this and select any long-term support version, and then go and download the .nsi. Okay, and you have to just install it in your PC. That's it. Now you have to go to this site, and if you search in the web browser that Qwen CLI, you will find the GitHub link at the top of the page. And somehow if you don't find this, just copy this. Okay, here this line. So npm install -g at qwen-code/qwen-code at latest. So copy this, go back to the VS Code terminal, and here we are going to paste it. There we go. We have installed it successfully. Now we have to set API key here. So to set API key, you have to actually go for the openai.com. Here you can see openai.com, and here if you hover on login, you will find option called ChatGPT API platform and then Sora. So I will go with the API platform. You may go with the ChatGPT. So I will click here API platform, and then it will actually open this page. But directly it will not open this page. It will actually go for this page. In the left side you will find a search option, and here you have to search for API keys. So API keys. Currently I'm in API key page. Here you can see. Now here you can see I have keyed already 3 API key, and now if I want to edit any of them, here you can see API key is missing here, right? So it means you can actually delete API key, but you cannot copy the API key once you have keyed. So make sure when you create new API key, your API key should be pasted somewhere in your PC. Let me show you how. At first you have to create secret key. So here I'll click new secret key, and here I'll give it a name. Let's say I will say Qwen -VS Code -API, okay, or key, let's say. And here I will select default project, and I'll click here create secret key. Now this secret key will show here once, okay, once, and you just have to copy this, and then you have to go for notepad in your PC, and then you have to paste it, and you can actually save it somewhere in your PC, okay? Because if you say here done once, you cannot actually copy this or get this key anymore. You have to create new one. That's it. Now let's say I want to say here done. Now here you can see I cannot actually retry it, okay? So now I'll go back here and I'll copy this, okay? And now I'll go back to the VS Code, and in the VS Code I'll actually say here set, okay? And then I'll say everything will be in capital letter. I say QWEN, okay, then underscore API underscore key, and then give space, and here we have to paste what we have actually copied from the API key generator, okay? So we'll copy this and we'll go here and you'll right click on it to paste it and hit enter. Done. You have set our API key. Now we can actually access this Qwen CLI anywhere in our PC. So basically we use this Qwen CLI in our project. Let's say in your project you can actually understand the specific portion from your project. So that time actually you can ask the Qwen to expand the portion or expand the part. So it will actually expand the whole part, or maybe the whole project, or maybe specific part portion from your project. That's it.